I'm Uttam Nathaniel Isaac. I'm CEO of a heavy industrial construction company. I live in Hyderabad. I had a heart problem in 2005 and I was under a cardiologist treatment and two stenting was done. Therefore, after last 5 years, I have been having frequent episodes of fainting and collapse, and this was quite dangerous. However, this was having a gap of the frequency was at about 2 years. Then it started reducing. It came to 1 year, and my cardiologist had no proper answer for it. Although he had referred me to do the brain scanning, and in that also he could not understand. Thereafter, last episode I had in December 2020, and in that episode it was like I collapsed in the bathroom, had a head injury, and I went to my cardiologist and he said, because your heart condition is such that you are having an extra beat, that extra beat is not a good thing for you, and the frequency of the extra beat has increased, and that will be dangerous for you. You can collapse anytime while driving or working, and that can be proved to be quite fatal. And he told me that you may have to go for a this pacemaker or ICT. This was quite shocking to us, to me and my family, because we were not expected that. And then my general physician, I was discussing with my general physician, Dr. Gautam of KIMS. He advised me, why don't you consult with Dr. Haigreve Rao? He may be having a solution for this particular problem. And I referred to Dr. Haigreve Rao, and he studied my case. He asked me to undergo a few tests. One was the brain scan, and second was the tilting test. The tilting test was the conclusive proof of the problem that I have. And he said, you will have to take some medications, and there is a physiotherapy exercise that you have to do, which has been specially designed for this type of treatment. And he told me that more important than the medicines is the physiotherapy exercise, which I have to do morning and the evening, and that helps in the calf muscle functioning, which is indirectly helping the heart. And I was never knowing that the calf muscle has got such an important role to play with my heart. And for past 1 year, I've been under this treatment, and there is a steady progress. I do not have those extra beats, and previously when I used to have a lot of cramps in the leg, that is gone. My walking has improved, and I feel overall a totally changed man. And this is really very helpful to me and very joyous thing for my family also. I thank Dr. Haigreve Rao and his team, and I'm told that this has been worked out by them for a long period, and they have studied these cases, and there are hundreds of cases like this, people who do not know about it. And I would like to convey to them, there is a treatment here in KIMS under Dr. Haigreve Rao. One should come and see it and experience it. Thank you once again, and the KIMS Hospital for the wonderful facility you have here. It's a joy that I am under such a good doctor and his team. Thank you very much.